Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Netflix real quick because the price action into the market of Netflix has begun to cool down. So now we want to determine if this trend is still in place in Netflix. Let's break it down. Now, you guys can see already that we had a price prediction on the chart in the market in Netflix. I did an update video on the 8th of January. Okay, so this is where the market was trading at when I did the update video in Netflix. And you guys can still see that I was bullish into the stock. I was still looking for the price to go up, and that is exactly what occurred in the market in Netflix. So congratulations to those who was able to profit off of the move. Right here on the 23rd of January, 9.35% was garnered there. At the high, when Netflix was trading around 380, that's around 18 3/4. But congratulations. Now, let's get back into it. So overall, what can we see into the market in Netflix? Well, we're currently still trending. Okay. The current market area in Netflix is still bullish. We're still seeing price trade above that trend line. So that's great. Until we see price break this trend line, we're going to continue to look for price action to do this. Okay. This is a buyer's market. This is where we can tell that demand is coming into the market in Netflix. Now, right now, 375 is resistance in the market in Netflix. So we're just going to redraw these lines to figure out where the buyers are and figure out where the sellers are. Okay. Now we definitely want to see buyers in the market in Netflix right here. Okay. So if we're going to be bullish into the market in Netflix, we do not want to see price break $330 or $332. We don't want to see that, because if that happens, then definitely we're going to come back down towards this trend line, and that's going to get tested to see the buyers are going to be there. Okay. So we don't want to see the market in Netflix break 332, 330. Let's look at this on a 5-weekly chart. Okay, so from a 5-weekly chart, the market currently is still bullish. Like I said, we're just going through some selling right now. People are coming in, taking profit. We saw a great run into the market in Netflix. Ever since May of 2022, the market has run up 130%. So rightfully so. If you guys bought around 150, you double your money. So take the bag. People are taking profits. Now we want to see how much profit taking is going to occur. Okay. Even though we can see bullishness still on the chart on the 5-weekly time frame, we still need to be prepared to not let price break $330 to $325. We don't want to see that. Because looking at this on the 3-weekly chart, this is how I can tell that there's still some sellers into the market in Netflix. This is where selling began. Okay. And we're still seeing selling on this current 2-weekly price bar. So yeah, if you're trying to time the market right now, I would say it looks like the market's trying to tell us to wait and to come in and buy this stock right now, because we're looking for it to run down to 330 to $325, maybe even test this trend line. That is what it looks like on the weekly charts. Okay. But it doesn't negate and invalidate that the trend is still higher. Okay. It doesn't say that at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place some strength on the chart in Netflix again. Okay. So given that we have the current move into the market is currently selling. Okay, so that's current. So from out the gate, be prepared for the market action in Netflix to dip, to go lower. Like I said, we don't want to see price break 325. We really don't want to see the market in Netflix break our trend line. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down towards $311. As long as price holds this trend line, we can look for the market in Netflix to continue to try to move higher. Okay. If it breaks this trend line, we had to have another conversation, and we need to talk about how strong the market in Netflix really is now. But we can only go off of what we have in front of us today. Okay. So that first target that I'm going to show you in Netflix is going to be around 375 again. We already seen sellers coming at 375. So why would we want to see price go above that right now? That needs to be a target. 7.22% right there around $375 or $374.23. My second target is going to be here around 400. Okay, that's 14.67% move higher, $400. And I might just leave it there around 400. I'm not going to get too bullish into the market in Netflix yet, but currently we're just going to do those two. Okay, so we get $375 and $400 as those two targets into the market in Netflix. I'm done. It's your turn, simple and easy. To tell you it's your first time seeing my videos and my content, welcome to the team. If you guys want to subscribe, you guys want to learn more, I definitely want you guys to join and subscribe and like the video and share the video to anyone who you think may find value in my content, because it's not hard. It is not confusing, and it is not difficult to see how prices are going to trend and where prices are trying to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.